Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to construct an involute of triangle dimension 30 mm. And here initially only I have find out the peripheral length 30 mm into 3 sides, that is 90 mm. Okay, first I will be constructing a triangle here. Triangle of dimension 30. Draw one horizontal line for 30 mm. Okay. Take a compass, measure 30 mm and cut the arc by keeping, so measure this length here and cut one arc from the one end and the second arc from the other end and join. So this will give you a triangle here. Okay, so you can show the dimension. The dimension here it is 30 mm. Can give this as ABC. So peripheral length we can draw here. So from the end of B here, so it is 90 mm. Then this as PQ. Show the dimension. The dimension here we have 90 mm. Okay, so now just extend these lines so that when we construct the curve here, so it will be convenient for us in order to draw the arc. Okay, so take the compass, measure the length of AB and cut here 3 arcs. Okay, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications and share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Okay, here the cut points, we will be naming it as 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, first I will be measuring the length of from P to point number 2. Okay, and cut it here from keeping at the point C. Cut an arc. Same way I will be measuring the length from P to point number 1 and keep at the point A and cut the arc. Now I will be measuring from P to here Q and just extending the arc so that in order to join that curve it will be convenient. So with the help of the pencil, first I am going to join here the smooth curve. Okay, so this completes the problem. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button and share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to construct an involute of a square which is having dimension 25. So here first I will be constructing a square dimension of 25. Using the scale I will be drawing a 2.5 centimeter horizontal line. Okay, vertically also I will be drawing. Okay, construct the square. So vertically also 25 mm. So here the peripheral length initially only I have find out. So peripheral length is required for solving this problem. Okay, that is 25 into 4 sides, that is 100 mm. Okay, for one edge you can show the dimension of 25 mm. Now I'll be drawing that peripheral length here. From that corner and C, draw a line of length 100 mm. 100 mm means 10 centimeter. Draw horizontal line, that is, you can mark that as PQ. Okay, so take compass, measure this 25 mm, and we have to cut 4 arcs here. Okay, now here, so we can mark this as 1, 2 and 3 point. So we can extend these lines so that when we can able to cut by measuring these lengths. So we have to draw the lines like this. Okay, so we can measure the first length from P2 Q here, just extend that little bit line, draw an arc. Now the second length we have to measure from P to 3 here, measure from P to 3 and cut on this vertical line. Now measure from P to 2 and cut here. You can measure from P to 1 and cut here. Now we have to join this curve here. With the help of pencil, I'll join. Later on, I'll make the dark. Okay, you have to join this curve. And this is what the involute of this square. Okay. Okay, subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Join the curve. So this completes the problem. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. So I'll be finally showing this peripheral length of 100 mm. Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to construct an involute of pentagon of dimension 25. Initially I have find out the peripheral length. So here the pentagon of dimension 25 and multiplied by 5 sides, we will get the peripheral length. Okay. So first I will be drawing a horizontal line of dimension 25. Okay. Then I'll use the protractor here, and externally we have to mark for an angle 72 degree here. Okay. And this side also will do the same way. Externally I'll be marking an angle of 72 degree. In order to construct the pentagon, we know the external angle is 72 degree. Now draw a line passing from that corner point to that angle line. The length will be 25 mm. Okay, subscribe to my channel, hit on the like button and share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Okay, now take the compass, measure this 25 mm. You can measure any one of the side here. And cut the arc. Now join to get the pentagon. So I'll show the dimension for one side. So it is having a dimension of 25 mm. Okay, now I'll be drawing its peripheral length. Okay, I'll be extending these edges here. Like this. Okay. Now draw the horizontal peripheral length, which is at a distance of 25 mm. Now I will be writing A, B, C, D, E. From the corner end of B, I will be drawing a horizontal line for a distance of 125 mm. I will be marking this as PQ. Okay, so the length of this PQ line, that is peripheral length, it is 125 mm. Okay, now take the compass, measure 25 mm. I think it is already having the same length. Now we have to cut the 5 arcs here. Okay, now you can give these cut points as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, again use the compass, measure the length from P to 4. Okay, from P to 4, keep at the point C and draw an arc. We'll extend this line, no problem. The same way, measure from P to point number 3. Okay, keep at the point D, cut an arc. Same way, measure from P to point number 2, keep at the point E and draw an arc. Now finally we have the length from P to 1, keep at the point number A and draw an arc, and then extend. Now here I'll be extending these lines. Okay, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications and share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Now I'll be measuring from P to Q here, so I'll draw an arc here so that in order for construction of the curve, so it will be helpful. Now try to connect. First I'll be constructing with the help of the pencil, and then I'll go to dark with the color sketch. So when you're constructing the initially, so make sure you'll have the enough space. Okay, so that completes the problem. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to construct the involute of hexagon of dimension 25. Okay, first I'll be constructing a hexagon here. So first I'll be drawing one horizontal line of dimension 25. Okay, that is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now with the angle method I am going to construct this. I'll be using the protractor. So here the external angle I'll be using, that is 60 degree. Mark for 60 degree here. And draw a line passing through this point for a length of 25 mm. Keep the protractor and mark for again 60 degree. Again draw a line of length 25 mm passing through this angle point. Okay, again we have to use the protractor here. Mark for angle 60 degree. Same way here also, you have to keep the protractor like this only in order to draw the angle line for 60 degree. Draw a line of length 25 mm passing through this angle point. Okay, now join it. Okay, hexagon it is completed. Now show the dimension for one side. So here for one edge we are showing the dimension of 25 mm. Okay, we can give the naming as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so peripheral length it is already find out. So 25 mm into 6 sides. We'll be extending these lines. Okay, not like this. Here, this way we have to extend. You subscribe to my channel and turn the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share it to maximum students so that they can be benefited. So now I'll be drawing this peripheral length. So the peripheral length it is 150 mm. 150 mm means it is 15 centimeter from the scale. Draw a horizontal line for 15 mm. Sorry, 150 mm. Now you can mark this as PQ. Okay, take compass, measure the length of 25 mm, and we have to cut 6 arcs here. So keeping at the point P, start cutting the arcs. Now we can give the naming for this. Okay, this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so initially I'll be measuring from P2 to 5 here. Keeping at the point C, I'll be cutting an arc. Okay, now again I'll be measuring from point P to 4. Keeping at the point D, I'll be cutting the arc. Same way from measuring from P to point number 3. Keeping at the point E, cut the arc. Next from P to point number 2. And then from P to point number 1. Okay, now we have to connect all these cut arcs with the smooth curve. Okay, here from P to Q, I'll be drawing one arc so that it will be convenient for us in order to extend it and make an involute. Okay. So initially I'll be connecting with the pencil so that to draw the final one, it will become easier. So try to draw the smooth curve here. Okay, subscribe to my channel, hit on the like button and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Okay, share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. Any suggestions for improvement are welcome here. Thank you once again for watching my video. Thank you all.